probably have to cut it down. Slowly down. So now we have, straight down to kill it. So it'll be a third of a cup. Stir it back up, taste it again. This is what I have out of that batch you've seen in my roaster. And I have this size here that I will use. It's 3 cups, that when the family comes over I will use it. And then I have this just for Greg and I and Toby to have, a smaller amount. And then I will can these small jars, and then Toby can take them for his lunches and for the workshop. And this would be like a 2-day supply for him. It's real easy. I didn't show the process on how I can it. Basically, you just need a big, heavy, sturdy pot that is big enough to put these in to where the water level is a good 2-inch above the jars. And you can water bath them that way there. Just bring it to a full boil, but make sure you have something on the bottom. I usually will take the rings of, let me see what I have here. Yeah, like I will take the rings, and you can put the rings down all in the bottom of your pot, and then you can put the jars on top of this, just as long as the jars are not touching the bottom of the pot, and this will hold it up just fine. This would be just perfect for that. And then you bring the water to a boiling, and after that it's you boil it for about 20-25 minutes and you're done. Or you can freeze it. So, okay, guys, thanks for watching and take care.